In China's newest factories, the lights are off, not because of power cuts or worker strikes, but because there are no workers left to illuminate the machines. Welcome to the age of dark factories, facilities where robots, AI systems, and sensor networks perform every step of production without human intervention. They don't need light, lunch breaks, or labor unions, and Beijing wants thousands of them. It's easy to frame this as the next logical leap in efficiency. Machines working 24/7, zero human error, massive savings on energy. But behind the glossy numbers lies a deeper, darker story. China isn't just experimenting, it's betting the future of its manufacturing supremacy on lights-out production. Fueled by the Made in China 2025 strategy, Beijing has poured billions into robotics and automation. In 2022 alone, Chinese factories installed over half of the world's new industrial robots. Foxconn's Kunshan plant replaced 60,000 workers with machines. Xiaomi's facility spits out a smartphone every 3 seconds, without a single human on the floor. This isn't Silicon Valley's cautious pilot project. It's state-led industrial transformation at an authoritarian scale. Where Germany talks about Industry 4.0, China is already living in version 5.0. The numbers is hard to resist. In Shenzhen, Foxconn's lights-off plant boasts efficiency gains of nearly 30%. Smart IoT systems shave off $1.6 million in energy costs every year. AI-powered inspections catch flaws at scales no human eye could ever detect, pushing defect rates down to the microscopic. On paper, it looks like perfection. A factory that never sleeps, never slows, and even wears a green halo, consuming up to 20% less energy by eliminating lights, air conditioning, and every other concession to human comfort. But there's a catch. Sustainability designed for machines is not the same as sustainability designed for people. Behind the numbers is a staggering figure. 100 million Chinese manufacturing jobs are at risk. Oxford Economics predicts up to 12 million job losses by 2030. What happens when the world's largest working class finds itself sidelined by algorithms and robot arms? Already, labor unrest has surfaced in Guangdong, with strikes fueled not just by wages, but by existential anxiety. Unlike Silicon Valley's narrative of AI will create new jobs, China's automation drive is explicitly about replacing them. It's a workforce reduction plan, packaged as innovation. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Once China perfects dark factories, the rest of the world has no choice but to follow, or collapse under the weight of Chinese cost advantages. Germany's vaunted precision engineering, outdated if a factory in Shenzhen can produce with higher accuracy at half the cost. America's push for reshoring manufacturing, futile if domestic plants can't match China's robotic scale. This isn't just an industrial race, it's a geopolitical reshaping of who controls the means of production in the 21st century. The dark factory embodies a paradox. It promises sustainability, efficiency, and global competitiveness, but it also threatens livelihoods, social stability, and even human dignity. A factory with no people is efficient, yes, but also chilling. Are we witnessing the dawn of a new industrial revolution, or the construction of a dystopia where workers become irrelevant in the very economy they built? China is forcing the world to confront this question sooner than anyone expected. And the answer will shape not just supply chains, but societies. Factories once symbolized progress, national strength, and the dignity of labor. In the dark factories of China, we may be watching that symbol die, replaced by humming machines in unlit halls, churning out the future without us.